Drinks for healthy kidneys. White water or mineral water. It improves and smoothens kidney function. Coconut water. It contains electrolytes and helps prevent kidney stones. Ginger water. Contains anti-inflammatory properties good for improving blood flow to the kidneys. Turmeric water protects the kidneys from oxidative damage. Celery juice, it helps flush out toxins through urine. Lemon water, citric acid prevents kidney stones, especially calcium oxalate types, as recommended by kidney health experts. Green tea, antioxidants like catechins reduce inflammation and stone risk. Limit to 3 cups daily. Herbal teas like chamomile, ginger, hibiscus is a caffeine-free options promote function and hydration without diuretic risk. Cranberry juice is a low sugar, low potassium, helps prevent UTIs that could affect kidneys. 1 cup suffices.